Well, welcome back to Your Carolina. We have Dr. Lettieri joining us, and we're going to talk about it. Now, Dr. Lettieri, people might know you in town as a plastic surgeon. That's kind of a generic term, but there is so much more to it than those generic terms that get thrown around, right?
Right, so much more than the surgery part.
Right.
So in the last 10 years, I would say the biggest addition to our toolbox, so to speak, are all the non-surgical things like Botox and Juvederm, things everyone's heard of, but what they haven't generally heard about are all the skincare options, lasers, makeup techniques. So in our day spa in Spartanburg, we offer all of that. And so many patients have never had surgery, may never have surgery, or this may be in preparation for surgery.
And I use that old generic term because, you know, there is more to it. There is the cosmetic surgery part of it that is much more than the old generic term. But there are also these things you're talking about. I want to do as much as I can before I ever have to do anything surgical, and you offer every bit of it.
All of that, and therefore we see patients at a younger and younger age than, say, 10, 20 years ago, when patients were typically at an age where these things might not be so useful for them. So now we see an age group starting literally in the 20s and up.
So a 20 group and a 30-year-old group might be going in, not for a facelift, you know, but they might be going in for Botox, and explain why.
Well, you know, it's all about prevention, right? If we can put off the wrinkling effects or sun damage effects or just time and aging effects starting at a youthful age, then that's a big advantage.
Well, it is not for everyone, but there are some people who really do want to do that. And so I think of our skin like folding a piece of paper. And the more you keep folding it, the more you're going to have a crease in that piece of paper that pretty soon you can't iron out. So you're saying prevent the fold. Prevent
the fold and use all the techniques that are available. We have a full-time esthetician. We have a full-time massage therapist. We have a permanent makeup artist. You know, putting all those together along with what I do can really help somebody feel good about themselves, do all they can do, and it may not include surgery.
When I hear you talking about the fact that you have a full spa, that makes me think Mother's Day is right around the corner and somebody is sitting on their couch and they have not bought Mom a present yet.
Yeah, so we have people that will buy a gift certificate to the spa, and that will allow them to choose whether it be makeup, skincare products. It doesn't have to even be
massage-related.
Massage-related, right.
Okay, so you can give Mom some relaxation as well. drlettieri.com is where you're located on the web.
Right.
You have 3 satellite offices, and you're holding a special event at one of them.
Yeah, up in Hendersonville next Friday, we're going to be doing a, quote, white tent event, so people can come and mingle with some of our vendors, look at some of the things we do. Our esthetician will be there. Product offerings. I think we're going to be doing some procedures. We have a satellite office there, so it'll be right outside our office in the courtyard. It should be a nice thing.
This event is perfect for people who've been thinking about it, but they got a lot of questions.
Yeah, yeah. So this is why we do it. You know, people are comfortable to come anonymously, ask questions, see the people that we work with.
And you know that every other lady or gentleman that's roaming around, they have the same questions.
They have the same questions, right.
The same wants and desires. Exactly. And there is something about feeling good about yourself and in your skin, or the relaxation of the spa part.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. So the spa is all comprehensive. We do lasers to massage, injectional treatments to makeup, and in Spartanburg is where that primary facility is.
Okay, tell us where you are in Spartanburg.
So we're on East Wood Street in Spartanburg, right next to the regional hospital, so very easy to get to. And then, of course, we have a satellite office in Hendersonville where we're doing this event.
Okay. It's always fascinating to talk to you, and we don't want people to forget that you do everything there, even the relaxation and the spas. Hint for Mother's Day. So thank you so much. Dr. Lettieri.